Do you fidget while you're thinking, waiting for something, or bored? How about when you're nervous, anxious, or stressed? Do you tap your foot, tap your fingers, or just can't stop moving? Well, you aren't alone, and you've likely heard about the various fidget toys today. Here's our solution. The Orbiter by Tech Accessories is a new kind of fidget device with two separate pieces combined to form a unique bond, like a planet and its moon. Connected in this case by a strong magnet. With high-grade materials, exquisite finishing, and unmatched quality, this toy is a pleasure to fidget with. Be one of the first to carry it around.
We're here at Makerspace in Tucson, Arizona, doing a first look of our Orbiter to people that haven't yet played with one. So here we go.
Oh wow, this is cool.
I'm a fidgety person, and this is really kind of taking my mind off of the fact that my hands are moving constantly.
I love it. I can't put it down.
Well, I've been a really fidgety person my whole life, and with my love of magnets and titanium, I wanted to combine that together to make a device that you could carry with you and keep you busy all the time. And it wasn't just a hand spinner, it was something that you could take apart and click and move around and fiddle with in your hands. It was completely absorbing at the same time. And I think we've definitely achieved that with Orbiter.
I was the first one to actually put one together when we had it, when we had all the materials and the parts, and the first fidget itself right there was a great feeling. I myself have ADHD, and this has changed my life.
Fidget toys have been described by others to help with ADHD symptoms, stress, and anxiety, therefore calming nerves and increasing focus.
The Orbiter new to our Orbiter line in general is the aluminum bronze edition here. Aluminum bronze is a corrosion-resistant material, a pale gold finish that takes a beautiful polish. Another new addition to our Orbiter line is the DLC-coated titanium Orbiter. This diamond-like carbon coating is scratch-resistant, impact-resistant, super low friction, and guaranteed to never scratch or scuff. If you or someone you know is a fidgeter, we need your help to make this campaign a reality by pledging your support and sharing this with your friends. Please follow us on social media for updates. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Stop! Just stop, okay? We all know a fidgeter. What we've discovered, and what several studies have confirmed, is that fidgeting actually increases one's ability to focus. We just need a quieter, more discreet, cooler way to fidget. Introducing Momentum 360. The world's first centrifugal powered hand spinner. Its slim design allows you to take it wherever you go. The Momentum 360's smooth spinner allows you to fidget to your heart's content. Rather than annoy your friends, you just may impress them. The unique thing about the Momentum 360 is the ability for you to control its speed. You can spin it as fast or as slow as you want. It'll never slow down. Use the Momentum 360 at work to relieve wrist pain after a full day at the computer. The Momentum 360 is the perfect solution for all fidgeters. It's quiet, slim, and you will not be able to put it down. That's better.